Welcome to day 38 of 365 uploads. Today, well, I don't know what we all have today. We've got a bunch of little stuff today. So let's get to it. First things first, let's get some decals weeded. How about that? Let's weed some decals so we can pass them on to Tobias so that he can do the job. And I can go run and do some other stuff. So, pressure washer broke the other day. It's time to get it exchanged for a new one because it's still under warranty. All right, pretty sure we got the quick connects that we need to finish this job, hooking up the new pressure washer. Just finished a quick install at PGT Transport. Now back to the shop to see how much we can get done there. We got to get that trailer done, so we got to get those decals made, weed masked. Tobias should be working on that right now for me while I'm out doing this stuff. And then need keys, so I start this car. Then we also got a bunch of DTFs that need to be printed. So I got to get on that too. And then this afternoon, I got to do another PPF job. So also, power steering would be wonderful. I need a new vehicle. She's waking up. Oh, almost good. Also, currently uploading yesterday's video. Getting this going. This right here is why PPF is amazing. Check that out. There's their damage. Nice stone chip. Nothing in the paint. Nothing in the paint. Look at that. Nothing. That's where the damage was. Nothing in the paint. Perfect. Replace the PPF and call it good.